The ultimate one Roblox tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. Roblox can feel overwhelming when you're new. Millions of games, thousands of creators, endless choices. So today, let's go from 0 to pro in 1 minute, and the surprising truth is, most beginners focus on the wrong things. The first key is safety. Before anything else, set up your account correctly. Enable account pins, privacy settings, and save communication options. Roblox is fun, but protecting your identity and personal info is non-negotiable. Next, choose a few well-rated experiences to explore. Instead of jumping randomly, start with popular genres: adventure, roleplay, obbies, simulators. Games like Brookhaven, Adopt Me, Jailbreak, or Arsenal help you learn controls fast and build skills in different styles of gameplay. Now, how do you look like a pro? You don't need expensive outfits. Start by customizing your avatar with free items from the avatar shop. Search for free and mix pieces to create a unique look. Confidence doesn't require Robux. Many players think you must spend money to succeed. But here's what most people get wrong. The best power-ups in Roblox come from practice, teamwork, and knowing the game mechanics. Watch how experienced players move, solve puzzles, and level up. You learn faster by observing strategies in action. As you grow, consider joining groups, making friends, and exploring creator tools like Roblox Studio. You can even build your own game one day, and that's where real pro status begins. Finally, always be cautious of websites or users promising free Robux. If it sounds too good to be true, it definitely is. Stick to official Roblox features like gift cards or legitimate purchases through the platform. Be curious. Have fun. And remember, everyone starts as a noob, but the ones who become pros are the ones who never stop learning. See you in the next adventure.